Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix the text on image error in Google Merchant Center next. This error stops your products from showing in Google Shopping and free listings, which means no sales and no profits for these products. This error is because Google thinks that your product images have some promotional text overlays. Google doesn't allow promotional text on your product images in Google Shopping. Luckily, it's an easy fix. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's go. First, head over to merchants.google.com and log into your Google Merchant Center account. On the left-hand menu, click on Products and then click on Needs Attention. Okay, so we can see the error here, text on image. If we click it, we'll show the products with this disapproval. To get your product approved, we need to update your image to meet Google's guidelines. First, ensure that your images are free of promotional overlays like text, logos, or watermarks. Have the images saved on your computer or download from your online store. Open them in an image editor like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP or an online tool like Canva and remove any overlays. The images should focus only on the product with a clean and clear background. Once the images are fixed, you have two options. One, fix it through Merchant Center or update the image on your online store. It's often simpler and quicker to just update the images directly in your online store. To do this, find the same product on your actual store, like in Shopify, then remove the image with the overlays and replace it with one that meets Google's requirements. Once Google updates the feed, the changes will show in Merchant Center. The error will now be resolved. Or you can also update the images directly through Merchant Center. You might want to do this so that you can keep the promotional overlay image on your actual store, but show a different one, the cleaner version that matches Google's guidelines on your Google Shopping ads. Let's check out how to actually do this. First, click on the product title to see its details. You'll see all the product info here. Click the Edit Product button on the right. Scroll down to where we have the product images. Remove the old image and upload the new one. You can upload directly from your computer or provide a URL from your store. After adding the new image, click Add and then click Save at the bottom. Now go back to the product details and click on Needs Attention. This takes you to where Google flagged the issue. Here you can request a manual review after fixing your image. Google will update the feed and check automatically if the issue is resolved. And that's it. You've just fixed the disapproval and updated your product. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.